Hello guys, we are from group 2. Today we want to present our project about Windows 10. But first, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Alvin Rizky Erlangga,
My name is Muhammad Isyardi.
And my name is Cornelia Reza.
and let's just get into it. First, introduction. Operating system or OS is a software which used to control the hardware and manage basic system operation. Generally, operating system is software in the first layer on computer which plays on computer memory while the computer start booting. Microsoft Windows, or better known as Windows, is a family of personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft that use graphical user interface. The Windows operating system has evolved from MS-DOS, an operating system based on text and command line modes. At this time, almost everyone has used the Windows operating system as an operating system on their computer, 90.42%. Almost everyone already knows about the Windows operating system, how to install it, its application, and others. But many who do not know the development of Windows from the beginning until now. For that, we try to discuss it in writing this paper. An operating system, or OS, is system software that manage computer hardware and software resources and provide common service for computer programs. Time-sharing operating system schedule tasks for efficient use of the system and may also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, mass storage, printing, and other resources. For hardware functions such as input and output and memory allocation, the operating system acts as an intermediary between programs and the computer hardware. Although the application code is usually executed directly by the hardware and frequently makes system calls to an OS function or is interrupted by it. Operating systems are found on many devices that contain a computer from cellular phone and video game console to web server and main computers. Type of OS. First, we got standalone operating system. As the name implies, this operating system is an operating system that can stand alone and can be used both single user and multi-users. Second, we got network operating system. As the name implies, a network operating system is a type of operating system that can move and also operate computers that are made for the needs of a network. Third, we got embedded operating system. The embedded operating system is a version of several types of computers operating systems, especially desktop computers, which are applied to a computer that is even smaller in size.
And the next one we have advantage and disadvantage of OS. The advantages is user-friendly, easy to use, intermediate between all hardwares and softwares of the system. No need to know any technical language. And the last one is it's the platform of all programs. And the disadvantage is if any problem affected in OS, you may lose all the contents which have been stored already. And the last one is unwanted user can use your own system. And next we have main OS. The first one is Linux. It is an open source OS which in most cases is free. Inexperienced computers users may find it more difficult to get to grips with Linux. It is very reliable and rarely freezes. Fewer computer programs, games, and utilities are available for Linux. And the second one is macOS. Mac computers are more expensive generally than PCs. Mac is a much more secure OS and is far less open to virus and malware. Stability is a major advantage. It very rarely crashes, loses data or freezes. And the last one is Windows. Can be expensive, especially compared to Linux, which is in most cases free. Easy to use, especially for new computer users, and plenty of help resources are available online. Last one, tadi edit aja. Although Microsoft Windows has made great improvement in reliability with recent version, it still lags behind its competitors. Windows 10. Another big change in Windows 10 is the introduction of the Edge web browser, which was designed to replace Internet Explorer or IE. But the Internet Explorer susah banget sih, browser or IE is still in it. Edge is the default browser on Windows 10. Other new features include Continuum, which automatically optimize the user interface depending on whether you use an external keyboard or touchscreen, and Windows Store, which is similar to the notification bar on OS X. Windows 10 also supports multiple desktops on a single monitor and provides Snap Assist, a feature that helps organize windows on the screen.
And next, type of Windows 10. 1. Windows 10 Pro. The first type of Windows 10 is Windows 10 Pro. This system is actually more intended for professionals than for home needs. This is because the features of Windows 10 Pro are able to support their needs. 2. Windows 10 Home. The second type of Windows 10 for general use is Windows 10 Home. This version of Windows is also more common because most new laptops will come with this Windows 10 series. 3. Windows 10 Enterprise. Type of Windows 10 Enterprise is more suitable for you who work in bona fide large companies. Therefore, Windows 10 Enterprise can only be obtained through volume licensing, or you have to buy this Windows license in a large party. 4. Windows 10 Education. It has been explained from its name. Windows 10 Education is indeed a type of Windows 10 that is default to schools. As Windows 10 Enterprise, Windows 10 Education license purchase must also be party or in large quantities. 5. Windows 10 Mobile. There are several smartphones and tablets that use the Windows 10 operating system. For example, the Nokia Lumia. Unfortunately, Windows 10 Mobile is not very well known. Advantage and disadvantage of Windows 10. Advantage. 1. Compatible on all devices. 2. The presence of Microsoft Edge. 3. Several applications on one screen.
Bentar. Oh, masih nge-record ya.
Advantage of Windows 10. First, advantage. 1. Compatible on all devices. 2. The presence of Microsoft Edge. 3. Several applications on one screen. 4. Windows Store. And last one, pre-upgrade. Second, disadvantage. 1. Often change experience. 2. Wasteful internet quota. 3. Incomplete Windows Store. 4. Difficult to operate. 5. Windows 10 design is not perfect. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. The conclusion that we take from this paper is that Windows is one of the operating systems that have been known by many people because its development is always in accordance with the needs of users from Windows 1 to Windows 10 when it changed, and the addition of unique programs that are like the user interface that get longer, easier to use, display, and data processing capabilities. Suggestion. If you are a touchscreen PC user, whether it's laptop, tablet, or hybrid, Windows 10 is the best operating system for you for a better experience in the aspect of education, office, and daily activities. It is recommended to use Windows 10 because Windows 10 has many types, namely education, enterprise, and home.
So that's all from our group, and we would like to say thank you for your attention and see you.